Real estate, real estate, real estate. If you own some, fabulous. Listen up. I'm Valerie 𝗬𝗏 Law. We're a estate planning practice in New York and New Jersey, and we provide peace of mind to families through our high client value services. If you are in need of assistance in creating your estate plan or administering one after the loss of a loved one, please don't hesitate to reach out for help. We provide free consultations, and you can schedule one at 𝗷𝗓𝗏𝗍𝗔𝗍.com. And we're also here to educate on a consistent basis. We'd appreciate it if you dropped your questions and, of course, share so together we can help some folks along the way. If you own real estate, that's awesome, of any kind, personal residence, rental property, commercial, what have you. First, if you own it, you need an estate plan. Plain and simple. Typically, if you're owning real property, we often lean towards a trust, but not 100% of the time. Consider both a will and or a trust. That's point one. Point two, if you own the property with somebody else, please, please, please make sure you review the deed and understand the ownership. I have seen some crazy stuff in my time where two parties, it could be, yes, a married couple now who purchased the property when they weren't married. It could be different generations. It could be spouses and ex-spouses together still, which happens and is a different treatment. There's so many configurations. So you need to, one, consider what the deed itself says, whether you have a right of survivorship if one of the parties passes, meaning nothing needs to be done. The other is just now going to be the owner. Or if that doesn't apply in your circumstance, if you have separate, what we call tenants in common interests, because the portion owned by someone who passes will then have to go through the probate process and can create all sorts of headaches if we have to sell the property, transfer the ownership, etc. So consider how it's held, who it's held with, and what the impact is upon someone's passing. You may want to tweak things now to make it easier later. That's today's tidbit about real estate. I'm Val 𝗬𝗏 Law. If you need us for your estate plan here in New York and New Jersey, feel free to reach out. We offer free consultations, and you can schedule one at 𝗷𝗓𝗏𝗏𝗍𝗔𝗍𝗏.com. Hope you learned something new. Have a good one.